Hi, Brian Jackson, editor of ITbusiness.ca here at IBM InterConnect, and I'm checking out the Watson for Internet of Things platform. So here in this booth, they're showing off all these different APIs that developers can call upon for use with their Internet of Things applications. And there's several really interesting things that I just wanted to show off quickly to you so you can get an idea of what we're seeing here at InterConnect. So first of all, I was over here looking at a company called PhotonStar, and they're demoing two things. One is a smart blind system. So not only do they have sensors on these blinds that will automatically open them or close them when the weather changes, so it's too bright, the blinds close, obviously, that's smart. But what's even smarter is using Watson's weather API, so the blinds get a feed of data from Watson, and they know what the weather is going to be for the afternoon. So that way the blinds aren't opening and closing constantly, bothering everybody in the office. They're just doing it enough that it's useful to everybody. Over here, we saw a Ricoh demonstration with a prototype headset, so not something that's ready to be deployed to the field today, but a Google Glass style of headset that looked a little bit more robust, like it could be worn, it was worn along a hard hat, so for a construction worker perhaps, and it combines, an augmented reality display, and what they're going to maybe use the Watson APIs there for, their thinking is sending GPS data back to the company so you can locate workers. Plus, they're going to use Watson's text-to-speech API because sometimes you're working in a noisy environment, so you're trying to video conference with an expert that's giving you instructions, you can't hear them. So you use Watson's text-to-speech API. Now you can see like closed captioning style on the screen the words that are being spoken to you. So that's a pretty good idea. And finally, behind that, there was this interesting Watson in the kitchen demo. So we saw a smart oven, in fact, being combined with Chef Watson sort of tablet application. So, the imaginary scenario here is that you come home, you fire up your Watson app on your tablet, and you put together some ingredients from your fridge, and you say, what can I make? So it shows you, throws a recipe together for you. And then once you've determined what you're going to actually cook, you send the directions to your oven, which is, of course, a smart device and connected to the Internet of Things, and it sets the temperature and time for you correctly, so you don't have to program it in yourself. So that's just a sampling of a few of the things here at the Watson for IoT booth. Again, I'm Brian Jackson at IBM InterConnect.